Welcome back, guys. All right, here is the second structure of a nonfiction text that we're going to discuss, and the last one for today. So, sequence, okay? Some authors structure their nonfiction texts with sequencing, which means they use time order or steps. The green text right here is the example of a sequencing text. We couldn't wait to leave for our trip to Disney World. First, we grabbed our suitcases. Next, we jumped in the car and got settled. Finally, we felt the excitement rise as we pulled onto the road. All right. So as you can see, this is an example of how somebody can either use a timeline or sequencing to start from what happened at the beginning, and move to what happened at the end. Okay, so the graphic organizer sometimes you might see for those is they might have a sequencing like first, second, next, last, or a 1, 2, 3. Okay, some signal words you might hear in these types are first, second, third, finally, before, after, during, next. Okay, so we already went over in the tornado text. Do you think they use sequencing for that? Or did they use description? Right? So description and sequencing. Now that we've seen both, you can kind of look for some of these signal words or keywords to figure out how the author structured this text for its readers to understand. In the next slide, there is a text called Babe Ruth, and you can read it on your own, or I will put a link there of me reading the text to you if you need it. And I always stop and go over vocabulary if needed as well. All right?